What's up, Fishing 24/7? I'm your host, 7. How are you doing? Are you ready to go on a fishing trip with me? Today I'm taking you to Wolford Mountain Reservoir to do a little fishing. Please subscribe to help this channel grow. I'll catch you in a bit.
The man that needs no introduction, Mr. 7. His YouTube page, and that's Fishing 24/7.
But the biggest thing about today is we have a special guest, simply known as 7. 7, we talked a little bit about fish, right? There's things that when you talk to 7, a couple things you have to talk about. Fish, snacks, and sleep, okay? So you're a multi-species angler. You love fish of all sizes.
There we go. Corner of the mouth. Boom. Nice fish. Wolford Mountain Reservoir. All right. It's time for me to show you my rig. I'm using a teardrop weight, 18 inches of line, and a small hook. And today I'm using Rainbow Candy. This is what they like out here. This is all you need. Make sure it floats. Cast out as far as you can. Then we wait. It was cold this morning, now it's warm. Gotta keep them away from the shrubs. Woo. Nice long trout. He's really beating me up. Beautiful trout. Nice one. Look at that one. Beautiful. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate your time. Thank you for your support all these years. Please like, comment, and subscribe to help this channel grow. The next time you go to Wolford Mountain Reservoir, bring yourself a bottle of candy rainbow, I can't remember the name of it, rainbow candy power bait, and see what you may catch. Please check out other videos on this channel. I'll catch you in the next episode. Until then, keep on fishing.